Hi guys, so this is the S22. I'm going to unbox it. So it comes in this box. So it's pretty skinny box, so I like that. It's using less paper. I covered this MEID numbers. I don't know if it matters or not, so I just wanted to cover it. So I got the green color, 256 gigabytes, and this is the box that it comes in. And it also came, I had $150 credit for the Samsung credit that it comes with the pre-order, so I got this nice Galaxy Buds Pro with it. So I believe this is listed for $200 on the website, but it was on sale for $150, so I used my credit to get this. So I'm absolutely happy with this. And just to mention that this is the S22 and today is 2/22/22, so it's like all coming to sense that I'm happy that I got this. So I'm going to open this now. So this is the green color. It came closed like this, so I'm just gonna open it.
Oh baby, hey, yeah. I've been waiting all day just to look into your eyes and do nothing. Yeah, honey, that's my own getaway. It's your hair holding mine and my head on your chest. It's a dream for me. Loving on my man, that's my only plan. Chilling with my baby. It sounds perfect, don't you say? Hey darling, let's play. Tell me all your fantasies. Ain't nobody else for me. Hey darling, just stay. Your love helps me maintain. Lay up in this bed on Saturday. All I wanna do is kick back and lay low. Little Al Green playing on the stereo. Glass of wine, just some you and me time. Let's go away to nowhere. All I wanna do is kick back and lay low. Little Al Green playing on the stereo. Glass of wine, just some you and me time. Let's go away to nowhere. Oh, let's go. Nowhere, oh, let's go. Can we spend all night dancing real close underneath these stars? Let the moonlight shine. I can see the future in your heart and it's diamond bright. Loving on my man, that's my only plan. Yep, it's good old time. It's so perfect, sounds alright.